I'm Zhena, Mistress of Ceremonies, tea blender, and founder of Magic Hour. We are so excited to be offering a fall tea cleanse. It's the first of its kind. It's a ceremonial cleanse to help you figure out your body's natural algorithm through using herbs and teas and spices to heal, to detoxify, to cleanse, and to create a higher vibration in your body and in your life. And what it comes with is very exciting. If you don't have the whole collection of Magic Hour teas, we have 4 different kits that you can purchase. One is for beautiful skin, and it's all of my rarest teas that are ancient remedies for beautiful skin. There are white teas and jasmine pearls and flowers. It's really beautiful, and that's to beautify your skin. And then we also have the Relax to Slim tea. So why would I want to facilitate a ceremonial tea cleanse? Well, I've had terrible body image issues my whole life, starting in about 3rd grade, which culminated later in high school into a pretty intense eating disorder. I was very self-destructive, although I seemed happy. I had straight A's, I surfed every day. I looked happy and healthy on the outside, but I had this deep, dark secret on the inside. And it's very common for us to point our anger and our frustration at ourselves when we have unresolved issues happening in our psyche. And so this tea cleanse isn't just about drinking tea to get skinny. It's actually about learning your body's and your soul's algorithm for energy, for attention, for joy. We're really going to examine what your real hunger is about with daily meditations, tea ceremonies, and we also have these incredible kits, which I've put together for you that are the exact perfect amount of tea to last you for 14 days, as long as the ceremonial tea cleanse is. And so they come in these little boxes, and you can choose from one of, I think I created 4 kits. Yeah, so we've got the Relax to Slim, which is more about relaxing your nervous system to allow your body to find its natural rhythm. So it's not about getting skinny, it's not about purging, it's not about any of that. It's more of a gentle cleansing process of your energy system, your mind with your mindset and the stories you tell yourself, as well as your physical body. So every day, you will have a tea schedule. So you will start with, depending on which kit you buy, you will start with a tea, and then you'll move through 4 tea ceremonies in a day. And granted, they can only take 5 minutes a day, so you don't have to worry about that. But what it will do is it will teach you to stop, relax, and get in tune with what's happening in your body, and get in tune with what your soul is craving, not necessarily what your stomach is hungry for. So we're going to really highly tune ourselves to the energetic field of hunger and to the energetic field of what it means to be satisfied in our lives. Are we fully expressed creatively? Are we fully expressed romantically? Are we fully expressed with our friends and family? Are we fully expressed professionally? We're going to cleanse away negative thoughts and negative habits in order to achieve a sense of self that is both ceremonial and celebratory. So what we'll do every day is I'm going to host you every morning for a short tea ceremony. You will have a booklet that has journal prompts and exercises to do throughout the day. And then every evening, we're going to check in via Zoom, and we're going to touch base and see how the day went and close our day with a sacred sister circle. So I believe that this is going to be a cleanse that cleanses forever. We're going to cleanse all of our negative thinking. We're going to cleanse our subconscious self-destructive patterns that attacks our own bodies. I mean, how are we going to save the planet if we're busy beating up ourselves with negative self-talk, right? So this cleanse is to gear us all up toward winter and also toward our best life and our highest vibration. And my favorite thing in the world is the vibration chart. And so the lowest vibrations and this has energetically been measured, the lowest vibration emotions are shame and guilt. And then when we get up into above courage, we end up in joy. So we're going to cleanse for joy. We're going to cleanse all of the shame and guilt and apathy and negativity, out of our systems so that we can live in a state of joy. And so our ceremonial tea cleanse is going to be like summer camp, except it's going to be fall and it's going to be online. And I hope you'll join me and celebrate your amazing self, get your health to the forefront just through relaxation and mindfulness tea ceremonies. And we are going to not only change the world, but we're going to change how we perceive the world and how we create from within and move through the winter together. All right, I hope you'll join me. Once again, I'm Zhena. I'm the founder of Magic Hour. You can find out more at clubmagichour.com. It's the fall ceremonial cleanse, and it's only 14 days, October 1st through 14th. So definitely sign up, because I think that if this is speaking to you and resonating with you, you're gonna find a lot of value. Together, we can do anything. All right, thank you.